Hi friends, today I'm going to unbox this very amazing Avengers set. That is set of 5, and you can get random action figures. And if you are lucky, you can get the Avenger figures of your choice. So I'm going to unbox this very cool Avengers set for you guys. This is a small size, 6 inches set, but it's really cool. It doesn't come with any sound effects, but really cool. And there is the boxing is also very nice, and this is for age 3 plus, a variety of styles for infinite. And let's go. So luckily I have got the best thing. I have got Iron Man, I have got Thor, I've got Captain America with the shield, I've got Hulk and Ant-Man. So let's show you. The parts, body parts are moving. See, the Iron Man is there. Even the head is also moving. You can move the arms as well. So this is the way you can play with it. You can role play with it. And there's a gun also. Thor is also looking very cool, and his hammer is also here. Okay, small size hammer. Fine. And then comes the Captain America. Please come out. Okay, cool stuff. And this is quite sturdy. And there's a shield, small shield, which you can place here. And Captain America is not complete without shield. So you can just, okay, 1 second. Yes. Oops. Okay. There you go. And he's there with the shield. Okay. And then come the green Hulk. Hulk is very angry, always angry. I don't know why. He's very angry young man. Okay, and then come the Ant-Man. This is cool. So if you want to buy this product, this is really nice product for the role plays. If you want to buy this product, the description is given. The link is given in the description, and you can get it from there. Or if you want to buy in bulk, you can also give a query for that. How do you like this product? You just let me know in the comment section, and see you then with another unboxing video. Bye bye.